From turning on a light switch, to powering our computer, to even powering our cars, electricity is ingrained in our lives now, and we rarely think of actions without it. Yet those same actions, which help control electricity and how it can be applied, can also lead to burns, injury, and even death. Electricity is a critical component to nearly every industry today, and it is used throughout the workplace. Take a moment to consider all of the different applications and uses of electricity you have each day. It will quickly reach double digits. We rarely consider electricity to be a hazard because of all the technology and protection in place today. However, any of those applications you do each day can quickly become lethal through surging circuits, down power lines, and improper equipment. Welcome to the Electrical Safety 101 Orientation Safety Training. The learning objectives of this course are to cover the following: how electricity works, ground fault protection, hazard recognition,